Hello and welcome to Julie Hall Designs. Today I would like to introduce you to one of our fantastic new products, the USB extender. The USB extender, as you can see here on my machine, splits right into the slot on your embroidery machine and basically gives you an extra or a way of plugging in your device without having to constantly put pressure on the port on the machine. Over time, the USB port can be damaged, and pulling that USB in and out of the machine can exasperate that. So what you will see here is that this extension lead has a male and a female port, basically just extending your line. It is 78 centimeters long, but retracts down to about a 5 centimeter product. It is totally suitable for all of your embroidery machines. And the other thing that you can really easily do with this as well is I put one on the embroidery machine, and I also put one on my computer because I'm always putting USBs in and out of the computer. The USB extension lead is retails for $5, and you can purchase it today from juliehalldesigns.com. Until next time, I hope you have a stitching day. Bye.